Hello everyone, my name is Mr. Matt and wow, look where we are. We are in Italy and it's so beautiful. I can't wait to share this trip with you. Thank you for joining me. Now, did you know that people in Italy love to play football and they are so passionate they call it a special name. That name is Il Calcio. Oh, can you say it with me? Il Calcio. Wow, it's so cool that they've got a specific name for football. And I love to play Il Calcio. The most famous football player in Italy is Gianluigi Buffon, and he is a goalkeeper. He wears special gloves and he saves lots and lots of shots, and he's such a good goalkeeper. There are so many cool places to go in Italy, like Pisa, Venice, and Rome. Wow, this is such a beautiful country, and they have so many delicious foods. Do you know what different foods you can eat in Italy? Some delicious seafood, yum yum yum. Some pasta, oh, I love pasta, but my favorite is pizza. I have an idea. Why don't we go and play a game and make a special pizza from Italy called a margherita? Wow, let's go and play some Il Calcio and make a margherita. Let's go! Now it's time to make a real Italian pizza. I love pizza, woohoo! Let's make a special margherita pizza. Now, what are the ingredients for a margherita pizza? Cheese, tomatoes, and a bit of garnish. But what goes at the bottom of a pizza? That's right, a pizza base. And here is one I've made earlier. Come and have a look. And this is our pizza base made of dough. Now, let's use our ball and our dribbling and let's go and look for some tomatoes. Come and have a look, let's go. Now I need your help. Can you have a look in this special tomato bush and find 3 tomatoes? Can you see any? Oh look, I see 3 tomatoes. Let's pick them together. There's one over here, 1 tomato, yes. 2 tomatoes, yes. And 3 tomatoes, yummy. Let's go put them on the pizza base. Okay, let's put our tomatoes at the bottom, and we need to make sure our tomatoes are spread all the way around, all the way to the edge of the pizza. Yum, yum, yum. Now, what else do we need to put on top of the pizza? That's right, cheese. Where do we keep our cheese at home? In the fridge. Let's go to Mr. Matt's fridge and find some cheese. Let's go. And stop. Right, we need to open the door. We need to open the fridge door. Are we ready? Turn the handle and... Yes, I see 3 slices of cheese. Oh, it's very cold. 1, 2, 3 slices of cheese. Don't forget to close the fridge door. Let's go back to our pizza. Yum, yum, yum pizza. Let's sprinkle our cheese on top. 1, 2, 3. Wow, that looks delicious, but it's missing something. I know, it's missing a little bit of garnish. let's go to our herb tree and get some garnish. Come on. Oh, let's pick lots of yummy, yummy pretend garnish. Woohoo! Delicious. Back to the pizza. Beautiful. Let's put our garnish on top. Yum, yum in Mr. Matt's tum. Yummy. Wow, okay, so let's recap. We've got our pizza base with our tomatoes underneath, with our cheese on top, finished with a little bit of garnish. And now we have to cook the pizza in our magic oven. And to do that, we need to dribble around the pizza 5 times. We're gonna dribble 2 times clockwise and 3 times anti-clockwise. Are we ready? 3, 2, 1, go! 1 and 2. Now we go anti-clockwise or counterclockwise. 1, 2, and 3. Fantastic! Look, we have cooked our magic pizza. Now it's your turn to go and make a pizza. Remember, you'll need some items that are red for the tomato, yellow for the cheese, green for the garnish, and then your pizza base. You have 1 minute and your time starts now. Wow, that game was so exciting. Thank you for your help. And look what we've made together. A fresh, delicious pizza. It smells fantastico. Wow, look, the pizza base is all cooked. The tomato on the bottom is delicious. And look, the cheese has melted on top. There's only one thing left to do, and that's to try my margarita. So delicious. Wow. I have had so much fun in Italy. I wonder where we're gonna go next time. Can you remember my name? That's right, it's Mr. Matt. Let's spell it together. M-R-M-A-T-T. Mr. Matt. And today I'm going to say goodbye in Italian. Arrivederci. Bye-bye. If you've really enjoyed travelling the world with me, guess what? After you've finished your super fun Tiny Tykes camp, you can come over to our YouTube channel where we've got so many cool soccer videos for you to watch. Just search Mr. Matt Football. You can also find us on Facebook. See you soon. Bye.